Ready to turn your ideas into a stunning website without any coding? Discover how Canva's intuitive design tools can help you create a professional online presence in just a few clicks. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned creator, building a beautiful site has never been easier. Join us and unleash your creativity with Canva today. So let's get started. All I have to do right now is just open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I'll show you step by step how you can build a website on Canva. So what is Canva firstly? Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals and businesses to create visually appealing websites with ease. With its drag and drop interface, a wide array of customizable templates and design elements, Canva enables users to build professional-looking web pages without any coding knowledge. It's perfect for anyone looking to establish an online presence quickly and creatively, whether for personal project, portfolios, or business needs. So you have just to come back to the top and you have to click over the button of sign up and you get started by writing your email address and your password and you'll find this page as you can see. Alright, so let's just clicking over here because I already have an account. That's why we don't have here signing up, and also we don't have here the button of login. So you have just to click over home and you'll find this page as you can see. Right now you have just to click over here and you search for whatever you want. For example, I will just search for websites as you can see, and then you'll find the templates here. Alright, so we have just to select the template that we think it's very helpful and useful as well. So for example, I will select this one and I will click firstly over the option of see all to see all the templates as you can see. We have it 2282 of templates. I will just click over all filters and I will select the niche that I want or the category that I want the special one. For example, if it's related to the business. Also, we have here social media, education if you want video, marketing, print products, cut and invitation as well. Then we have here the style if you want modern, minimalist, simple, professional, colorful, animated as well. Then if you want here theme, for example, here black, business, corporate, pink, photo, website as well. Then if you want to hear which language, so we can just select my language only. And also we have feature such as animation and video. Then we have here grade if you wanted first grade, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, grade 7, grade 8, and also we have it the subjective one, math, science, business, technology as well. About topic also. Then we have here the pricing for the free one or the pro one. And about the color, you can just select the color that you think it's better or the color that you want to start designing depending on your website. Alright, so here we have the template that you find. So here we have it. For example, I will just select, for example, let's just select in this one of t-shirts. Then you will just click over customize this template. Then you will find other page which is this one. Alright, so here we have the template. You can just select it, and as you can see here, this is how it looks. We have here various things. I will just modify all these things and create my website. Right, so I will just go to the first one, which is this one. I will just delete this one. For example, I don't want the website related to the t-shirt. I want to do just on personal computer, for example, or something like that. You can also just keep this one here, and you can add, for example, elements that you want, that you like. For example, I will just white shirts, as you can see. Here we have it. If you don't like this one, you have just to add whatever you want. For example, I will just select this one. I will firstly delete this one. I will click over here to delete it, and I will delete it. Also, I will just modify the size of this one. I'll put it here. About the background, you can also just select the background that you want, but this one is better because here we have also here black, and that's why I will select this one. Right, and I will add whatever I want here. For example, about the text, I will just add a header like that, and I will put it here in the middle. Then I will just modify the size. For example, I will select here for a tail, and then I will select also here the color that I want. For example, if I want this color or I want this color, and we have here other colors such as this one. All right, so here we have it. And also you can here add whatever you want here. For example, we're proud or of our roads, you can just add whatever you want here. You can use also here the option of writing or description your product by on ChatGPT, for example. And also here we add whatever you want, for example the price, and you can delete all these things and you add whatever you want here by just clicking over elements and you add whatever you want. Then also if you don't like these templates, you can just change it and you select a template that you think it's better for you. Then also we have here brand. If you want to just add logos, colors, fonts, brand files, photos, graphics, icons, then we have here if you want to upload something, you can just click over upload an image or video, then you upload whatever you want. And also if you want to record yourself, you click over record yourself and you start recording yourself out, as you can see. So to one and you get started recording, as you can see. Then you have just to click over done and you have just to click over save and exit. You can just also click over exit and you choose the one you want, if you want to save, or you can just exit without saving. And also we have the option of draw. You can just draw your template. For example, you have just to add the color that you want, and you have also, if you did a mistake, you have just to click over this one, which is red. All right. Also we have here the eraser. As you can see, you can just delete whatever you want. If you already add something here, for example, I will just click over here and I will delete it. All right, so let's just, and we have the our website, how it looks. All right, then also we have a project, as you can see, and option of applications, QR code, as you can see. So right now all I have to do is just select, for example here, file, if you want to resize, to editing or commenting or viewing. Also we have here if you want to all changes saved. Then we have if you want to add something that you want. Also we have here if you want to make it pro. And also we have other things such as if you want to just people with access here, you'll find it. Then we're in sites here, as you can see. Then we have here if you want to, for example, add comment. As you can see, you can just click over add comment and you add whatever you want. All right, then also if you want to preview here, or if you want to publish website, you click over publish website and you start publishing your website, as you can see. So in the publish website, you can just verify if you like this website, and this is how it looks over the website. And you will just click over resize on mobile if you want, or include navigation menu, and you select the one you think is better. For example, I will just, here we have my website. I think it's better to use it, and I will just right now to click over share, and I will search for the people that I will share this website. Or also I will just select collaboration link if I want only you can access only you can access the design using this link, or anyone can access the design using this link, no sign in required. Also we have here other options, like if you click over CL, you'll find public view link, website, present template link, present on record, copy to clipboard, save to folder, send to phone, and embed as well. So this is how you can share your website. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.